If you feel shy talking to people or you don't really know how to start a conversation, then this video is for you. Look, the skill of talking to others is something that helps you at every stage of life, no matter which field you're in. It's a skill that lets you make a good impression, get people to understand your point of view, and even influence how they feel. In this video, I'll also take help from a book called How to Talk to Anyone. First, we'll learn how to give a good first impression. Second, we'll talk about how to make the other person comfortable. And third, we'll see how to impress someone just through the way you speak. This video isn't very long, but I'm sharing the key points here, so watch it patiently till the end. Number 1, fear of talking. If you feel scared to talk to someone because you're worried whether they'll like you or not, or you keep thinking, what will they think about me? Or you don't even know what to say, then this fear needs to be handled first. And the only real solution to this is practice. You've probably heard the line, practice makes a man perfect. The more you practice, the better you'll get. The phone in your hand shouldn't be used only for scrolling reels. Use it to build skills too. With this phone, you can talk to people online. There are apps on the internet where people come just to practice their English, and you can talk to strangers there. Another option is customer care calls, where you get a chance to speak. Try to talk to at least 2 or 3 customer care agents for a few minutes each. I've said it before, the more you practice, the better you become. The third way is creating your own content on social media. Make videos related to the field you're good at. When you speak in front of a camera, your tongue opens up, you start expressing yourself better, and your fear slowly reduces. Don't expect to speak perfectly in one day. This didn't just happen with you, it happened with me too. The more you talk to people, and the more you speak in front of a camera, the more your fear goes away. Always remember, practice makes perfect. Number 2, the friendly smile. Whether you go to a big car showroom or for a company interview, you'll notice that people usually have a slight smile on their face. When you talk to someone with a smile, it sends a positive signal. The other person feels that you're interested in the conversation. So whenever you meet a friend, a relative, or even your crush, keep a light smile on your face. And while talking, try to maintain eye contact. This makes you look more confident and professional. The art of talking is powerful. It can make anyone agree with you. Number 3, say their name. When you call someone by their name, they usually like it a lot. In fact, it often impresses them. According to psychology, a person loves hearing their own name. If you've ever been to Starbucks, you might have noticed that they write your name on the cup and call you out by that name. That's psychology at work too. So whenever you meet or call someone, use their name. Just use common sense as well. Don't start calling elders or your parents by their names. If you want to learn more in detail, make sure to read this book once.